in traffic. Why the heck are we all sitting in traffic? It's called a freaking gas pedal. Press down on it. Let's move faster, everyone. Everyone sucks here because we're sitting in traffic. Why do we live like this? Seriously? How much blinker do I need to merge over a lane? I go now. Good luck, everybody else. The driver of the Kia is in a big hurry. We have no time to wait at the red lights. This trailer in front of me is going way too slow. I must pass it, otherwise my head will explode. I don't care if there's traffic coming or not. I am more important than anyone else. Oh well, here it goes. He did not bother to look to the right and cut off the car that was on the street. I bet he got pissed. In the land of Liverpool, stop signs have no meaning. We do not stop for them. Oh well. We are on a quest to get to I-81. We cannot read the signs of where to go, so we think it's off to the right. Oh wait, no, it's to the left. Oopsies, we screwed up. He has to run all the red lights. He's in a hurry and cannot wait. How much blinker do I need to merge across a lane? No, Rick's out behind me too, damn it. He wanted to turn right, but he changed his mind and went straight anyway. He should have just done that to begin with. He had to merge over from the right because he didn't want to go on I-81. He wanted to go to Medidale for some reason. Who the fuck wants to go there? Oh no! I am at the loss. I am very confused. I am here in the right lane. Then I gotta turn left. What do I do? Oh well, I guess I merged left. Good luck, everybody else.
I am a little old lady. I have to turn in front of you for some reason. Even though you have right of way, I gotta drive in front of you. Hopefully my kids will take my license away soon because I really shouldn't be driving right now.
No, stop. It's just too good to be true. We can't follow the stop signs. I must chase after you. I can't stop at the stop signs, baby. And I can't think of any other lyrics. I'll leave it at this, baby. I just wanna hold you tight. I just wanna love you. Trust in me when I say, oh, pretty baby, I'll run through all the stop signs for you, baby. Yeah, whatever.